Do you want to see what's in my Shopkins fridge? This is who's in the freezer. Popsicle, and I forget this one's name. Let's take a look in the fridge part. We have the little baby eggs, doll, Googie, and Johnny Ketchup. And in here, soda, Salt Milk, Flavor Ava, Soda Pops, Lil Sipper, way in the back. I don't know the names of these two here. Yogurt, I forget, G-O-R-T, Gurt, I think. Melody Pips, and meringue or something, I forget this one's name. And there's some wobbles back here and some frozen pizza. Yep, that's what's in my fridge. What's in your fridge? What's in your fridge? Show me.